No! God damn it. Okay. I just did a full video on how to fucking God damn it. I just did a full video on how to refill your flint. And I just restarted it. This is just I just restarted it accidentally, so I have to do it again now. Here you go. This is how you refill your flint. I got my flint in there right now, so as you can see. Got my flint in there. What you do to refill the flint is hold on, this is really hot and this is gonna take a while. Scissors, take it out. Take it out. Oh, none of that. There we go. Alright. So what you're gonna do, hold on, it's still pretty hot. Take this part out here. You can use this here, this little casing, to unscrew this little zippo screw in here. Like that. What you're gonna do, just gonna unscrew this. This is gonna take me a while because this is, I screwed it in tight after I did the last YouTube video. I'm gonna unscrew this. Once it's able to move, you can just use your hands. I'm gonna take a long while because I just did the YouTube video on it. See, it's out now. It's gonna. There it is. Here comes the flint. You can see this flint. Let's see what it looks like. That's my flint. And just put it back in there because really not a great idea to restart the video after I've already done it. So put it back in there, and that's basically it. You just put it in there like this. Screw it in. And it's done. So here comes my flame again. Back in here. The flame's still going, just so you know. Yeah, it's done. Just try it one more time. This is Twilight Zone. If you haven't seen this a million times, it was on YouTube. Probably gonna do the Twilight Zone in like every video I do, but yeah. So that was a video on how to refill a flint on your Zippo. So